go, Saltair coming in. Suddenly got very windy. While we're waiting for it to take off again, here's the world's funkiest public restroom. Look at this. My brother had a hand in that. What a fun building. The real interest is here. This is a jet-powered helicopter. So that exhaust just under the rotor. Gas turbine. Basically, it's a jet engine driving the mechanism. What in the industry is called a turbo shaft, because the power comes out down the shaft. Turbo fan is when the power goes into a big fan on the front. They use those for pushing along jumbos and 737s and Airbuses and whatnot. And then there's the pure turbo jet. The only passenger plane ever to have a pure turbo was Concorde. And that had afterburners. Woohoo! So, get the feeling there won't be long. Mind your head. Watching those guys walking about, the danger isn't from the rotor on top, it's from the one on the back. The tail rotor on the back. So you don't want to walk into. I'm looking at that guy there, looking after the helicopter. Oh, shiny. And reminded me of someone who's looking for a job. He'd be good at that sort of thing. There he goes. It's gonna get windy. Watch out, bud. Look at the water. Oh, make a fine leaf blower. Yeah, no, there's not a lot of leaves and stuff around and litter. Can't think why. Yay. Happy days.